What's going on, Mr. Gatekeeper here? You got a Marko 100F 80 to 10 meter Class C amplifier here. It's been modified. Been a lot of things took out of it. External relays been put in it here. I did not do the relay work, although it's done very well. All I did was had to get in here and do some retuning. The amplifier was pretty much on the mall. I took the transistors that was out of it, the MRF454s that were in there, because they just do not go with this design, with the wraps, without having to get in there and do a lot of extra work. I just popped them out and put two SRF2072s. Okay, these specific transistors are not brand new. They are used, but their HFE value is immaculate, man. I mean, they're as new. It almost seems like they were not even ran. Very high HFE value. I mean, they could pretty much just go for brand new. I guess they were in an amplifier that just was not ran hard. They are a different lot, but they do match. That's why I'm using them. As you can see, they got the same blue dot, letting you know too that the HFE value is the same, in the same range. Motorola uses a color code for the actual HFE value, basically letting you know how powerful the transistor is, how well it's able to pass current through it. And we had to throw a trimmer on here and tune the input on it. The output was fine. Left the output alone. Put two new 10 ohms in here. What it was is the people took the preamp relay and everything out, as you can see, and they attempted to use the preamp switch right here for a low switch. And I'm just going to go ahead and let you know this switch is not going to do much for you. I attempted to do a little low, but without putting these transistors in series with the RF, they're just not doing much at all. I mean, if you turn this switch, but basically you turn this switch on, that's going to be kind of a low. But I mean, there's hardly no difference at all. Not much that you can see. So we're just going to test it on high, I guess you could say, with it off. I mean, you might have a little lower dead key with it on. You can play around with it and see if you like it, if you might want to use that function. So SSB works just fine, power on and off. So let's go ahead and show you what we're going to be putting into it. Alrighty, 20 watt drive, PEP. On 13, is that 13.0? Change that up to about 13.8. My damn wires done unhooked. I need to tighten them wires up. Alright, we're on 13.9. Alrighty. Oh yeah, one more thing I did do. The amp was still on the mall a little bit amperage wise. Not wattage wise, but amperage wise. See, I look at amperage as well when I'm trying to tune an amplifier. I mean, you can sit here and have a wattage meter show you 20 watt dead key swinging 200 watts, but you could have the amperage showing you the same amperage if you were swinging the 200 watts, meaning you could have high amperage with a low dead key, and your box is going to run a lot hotter that way. So through this 22 ohm 5 watt in series, and that gave some swing on the amperage. It did the trick. It did the trick. It didn't bother the output at all. Alright, so here we go. Oh, Oh, ta 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 ta. Oh, ta 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 ta. Oh, ta 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 ta. Audio gatekeeper technology. We ain't trying to be the best. We're just trying to see maybe if we could hang with the rest. Alright, let's look at the input tune. 10 watt slug. Looking at the bottom scale. 100's 10 watts, 40's 4. Oh, audi, 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 audi. Look at that beautiful tune. Audi, 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 audi. Audi, 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 audi. Alrighty. Let's bump her on up to 15.3. 1.5 watts gives you about a 33 watt dead key. Oh,